Welcome everyone. Today you are going to learn some punctuation marks and symbols. Okay then, let's get started. First one is full stop. Full stop. Second one is question mark. Question mark. Third one is semicolon. Semicolon. Fourth one is apostrophe. Apostrophe. Fifth one is dash. Dash. Sixth one is inverted commas. Inverted commas. Seventh one is slash. Slash. Eighth one is equal. 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 Ninth one is backslash. Backslash. 10th one is ellipsis. Ellipsis. 11th one is brackets. Brackets. 12th one is hyphen. 12th one is hyphen. 13th one is colon. 13th one is colon. 14th one is comma. 14th one is comma. 15th one is dollar sign. 15th one is dollar sign. 16th one is at sign. At sign. 17th one is vertical bar. Vertical bar. 18th one is plus sign. Plus sign. 19th one is hash. Hash. 20th one is percent. 20th one is percent. This symbol indicates a percentage. This symbol indicates a percentage. For an example, 25%, 25%, like that. Last one is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.